Hello unicorns, it is Purple Unicorn, and I am showing you how I had my hair for I'm sorry it took so long to post up my crimped part 2 video, but can't see very well. Yeah, this is how it came out. It took a while for me to post up another video because when I took out my braids in the crimped one, the following day, I kind of brushed it out the crimps and it messed up. So today I show you how it was. So yeah, this is how it turns out. Sometimes it's a little bit more crimped, but when I braided it, it was kind of dry and it wasn't as wet as usual. So yeah, that's how it turns out. Thanks for I know this is a short video. Thanks for watching it. I'm posting up another one in a minute. Watch more of my videos, subscribe, like, comment down below. Bye. Unicorns forever.